Good day, this is the Professor, drwillphd, PhD, and today's Friday, July 29, 2022. It is 12:45 and 59 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, nanopods. So let's do it here. A nanopod built entirely from DNA to explore cell processes. Date July 28, 2022. Source, Insert. Constructing a tiny robot from DNA and using it to study cell processes invisible to the naked eye. You would be forgiven for thinking it is science fiction, but it is, in fact, the subject of serious research. And this highly innovative nanorobot should enable closer study of the mechanical forces applied at microscopic levels, which are crucial for many biological and pathological processes. The cells are subject to mechanical forces exerted on a microscopic scale, triggering biological signals essential to many cell processes involved in the normal functioning of our body or in the development of diseases. For example, the feeling of touch is partly conditional on the application of mechanical forces on specific cell receptors, the discovery of which was this year rewarded by the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. In addition to touch, these receptors that are sensitive to mechanical forces, known as mechanoreceptors, enable the regulation of other key biological processes, such as blood vessel constriction, pain perception, breathing, or even the detection of sound waves in the ear, etc. The dysfunction of cellular mechanosensitivity is involved in many diseases. For example, cancer. The cancer cells migrate within the body by sounding and constantly adapting to the mechanical properties of their microenvironment. And such adaptation is only possible because specific forces are detected by mechanoreceptors that transmit the information to the cell cytoskeleton. At present, our knowledge of these molecular mechanisms involved in cell mechanosensitivity is still very limited, and several technologies are already available to apply controlled forces and study these mechanisms, but they have a number of limitations. In particular, they are very costly and do not allow us to study several cell receptors at a time, which makes their use very time-consuming if we want to collect a lot of data. In order to propose an alternative, the research team decided to use the DNA origami method, and this enables self-assembly of 3D nanostructures in a predefined form, using the DNA molecule as construction material. Over the last 10 years, the technique has allowed major advances in the field of nanotechnology, and this enabled the researchers to design a nanorobot composed of 3 DNA origami structures of nanometric size. It is therefore compatible with the size of a human cell. It makes it possible, for the first time, to apply and control a force with a resolution of 1 piconewton, namely 1/1,000,000th of a newton, with 1 newton corresponding to the force of a finger clicking on a pen. And this is the first time that a human-made self-assembled DNA-based object can apply force with this accuracy. The team began by coupling the robot with a molecule that recognizes a mechanoreceptor, and this made it possible to direct the robot to some of our cells, and specifically apply forces to targeted mechanoreceptors localized on the surface of the cells in order to activate them. Such tool is very valuable for basic research, as it can be used to better understand the molecular mechanisms involved in cell mechanosensitivity and discover new cell receptors sensitive to mechanical forces. Thanks to the robot, the scientists will also be able to study more precisely at what moment, when applying force, key signaling pathways for many biological and pathological processes are activated at cell level. Good day, this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology, This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.